Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, I have not been posting videos lately, and there is reasoning behind that. The thing is, I never actually got to finish the Ford RAPTOR project I had, which involved supercharging it and probably racing it at the track. So today I basically wanted to make a short video to show you guys why I never finished it. The reason behind this is I bought a new car, and this is what I bought. So yeah guys, as you can see, I bought a 2019 Ford Mustang GT. This is actually the 5-liter. It's a 6-speed manual. And I'm not going to talk about details in this video. I'm actually going to make a different review video of the car. But to give you some insights, this car only has the black appearance package, which includes the 19-inch rims with better tires, Pirelli tires, and some black accents like the 5-liter badge I showed on the intro, the black roof, and the black spoiler. Other than that, this is a very basic car, but I mean, basic is not bad. This car has leather wrapped steering wheel, it has leather wrapped door handles, so it actually has pretty good standard features. My plan for this car is actually to set it up for track use. I already ordered a couple of parts that are coming to my door in the next couple of days, and I'm talking with one of the most famous tuners for these cars in Puerto Rico, so we can do something special to it. I started off by ordering most common bolt-on parts available for this car. It's already tuned. I already tuned it, 93 octane. We're gonna put in a JLT cold air intake, oil separator, headers, probably gonna do full exhaust. I'm gonna change the differential to 4.09. It's, you know, it's gonna be short. They're gonna be really short gears, but it's actually going to liven up the car for 1/4 mile use. So I'm actually going to do all of the basic mods you can do to the car as a bolt-on package, so we could see what time we can do at the track like that. And after that, we probably will get into more details on the engine part. I'm probably going to change out the cams, so it's going to be a good journey with this car. I'm going to have it for a little while, so stay tuned guys. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. The review on this car is coming up next, so remember to subscribe and hit post notifications for more. Take care, Garage Gang.